See, area we are doing here is above the cheekbone. Just use a 1.5 therapy head. It says 1.5 right here, and these two, one is the point spacing and one is the length. If there is no need to adjust the energy, you can start at 0.6. Because someone's skin is sensitive, so if your clients feel painful, you can lower it. But there is no particular fixed value here. We usually start with 0.6. And then just click on this standby button and you can start. In the same way, make sure you lift it up. Lift up and let's go. 1.5 only operates behind the eye socket and above the cheekbone. This is the one we just drew. Again, from the bottom up, we will take the first shot when we stick tight. Move up when you are done. Well, if the client feels the energy is strong, they can lower it, depending on how the client feels. And then, after this shot, let's go from the bottom up and let's go the second one, and then the third one. Make sure you remember to move it up little by little, or you can swipe it slightly. After that, after the operation in this direction, in the same way, we operate sideways. Still lift up, and after a shot, we move to the side. Then take a shot and move a little to the side. Move a little bit after shot. A shot, move a little. Move to this line. Here, it counts one time. Remember that in the same way as above, we move vertically and move sideways. In the same way, we from the bottom up. There are 3 lines and we should operate along these lines. We move sideways again. After that, we operate again. That's twice. After that, we operate on forehead area. About forehead, we only operate on this small area and only vertically. For the eye area, we usually use 2.0. We operate twice in the same way. But there are some special people. They usually have headaches. So for these people, we only operate one time for them, and to operate at an average speed. Pay attention. When operate, we should keep away from the higher line. And now we are operating on the area around eyes using the 2.0. It's mainly for areas around eyes, around lips, or nasolabial folds. There is no need to adjust these 2 parameters. Then we start to change the energy from the minimum because the skin around eyes and lips is sensitive. So be sure to start with the minimum. If the customer can withstand the energy, we can increase the value slightly. Just start at 0.1, then click on the button. About how 2.0 operates, because we can operate directly inside the eye socket. Then downwards, we still recommend that you take ushers to the outside. Pull down from the top. Is that clear? Just push up a little, then pulse and pull down. Pull it outside of bones and then take a shot. And the next shot is in the same way. Look, we push up a little bit and then start pulling down. Then push down a little and take a shot again, and so on. About corners of the eyes, actually we can pull outward like this. First shot is at the position of bones. Lift the skin from the inside, then take a shot. Then we move slowly to the side. Next, take the shot upwards. When taking the shot up, you can lift the skin up gently to take. Next, about the eyebrow area, first confirm the position of the brow bone. Then pull up against the brow bone. This could help to lift the upper eyelids. This is how it works around the eye area. Another function about this head is that it can lift up nasolabial folds. Try to do this. We all know that nasolabial folds are going down, so while operating, you need to lift upwards. From the area around the mouth, push diagonally upwards and into the position of the lines. Then take one shot because this head is small, so it can be pushed upwards. Push it up. Then take one shot, so there will be more obvious effects. After that, because this area, maybe the 1.5 head cannot work on this area, so you can use the 2.0. You can look. This head is small. You can stick it on there and lift it out from the inside and take one shot on the cheekbone. Then we move outside. Move slowly and take another shot according to the needs of different clients. If someone has obvious nasolabial folds, you can repeat the operation 2 more times. Now we're using the 3.0, but the energy starts with 0.9. Also, if the customer feels pain, lower it a bit. And then, if he can stand it, using 0.9 is okay. If the customer has no feeling, you can raise it. Then start with 3.0 if you do treatment on the neck. Start by applying the gel to the neck. Only apply to underlined areas. Spread it well. Make sure you get gel in every place you operate. We'll show you the operation. Keep it close to the skin, and we stick it on and take one shot. Then, in the same way as the face, move up about 2 mm for the second shot. Then move up. Always remember to keep flat and then to take shots. And then take whole shots like this. At the end, you can take shots on the face so that the effect will be more obvious. After this time, go back and spread the gel, then to operate step by step. Operate the second time, or just move diagonally and slowly. It's okay to lift, then operate upwards, according to needs. But if you lift to operate, always remember to move relatively slowly. Otherwise, the shots will be uneven. It also affects the results a little bit, so the results will not be particularly obvious. We take shots upwards little by little, then look at next position. If to operate on the double chain is relatively small, you can start above the throat first. Remember, the location of the throat is not recommended. Stick it up above the throat and take a shot. Move up and take a shot again. Move up again. Repeat. While this position, just operate to the tip of the chain. Then next step. On both sides of the chain is a triangular area. You can operate with your left hand. Go diagonally to the position of the triangular bone. This helps to form a beauty line. And then start working from here. Just remember, our actual energy is this wide. Slowly move to operate according to this width. The other side is the same method of operation, little by little. This is the complete operation of the whole face. According to the operation just now, half of face is done in this way. Then you can do the other side, exactly the same operation.